अरे हाँ हम लोग फोटो मैम यहाँ पे आए मैम पहले फ़ोटो कर लेते हैं सुष्मिता
बहुत घाई है उसको फातिमा आ जाइए बल्कि यहाँ पर फोटो
मैम यहाँ पे आ जाइए
यहाँ पर चेयर के आगे बस क्या कोई खड़ा मत हो रहे
मैं खड़े हो रहा है
इसलिए क्या
जाना पड़ेगा।
फातिमा जी इधर फातिमा
अरे मेरे काम हो जाने
क्यों एक्स्ट्रा काम करेंगे लोग मना कर रहे थे
ये लोग देखना एक्स्ट्रा वर्क कर रहे हैं
For those lovely introduction. First of all, friends from media, thank you so much for taking out your time. And I see a lot of friends among here and few more new friends to make here. And I think this is a very great moment for us as an organization. And if you look at De Beers history, it's been a company with a legacy of 136 years of us being world largest diamond mining company. And more important, it is a company that is built on responsibility. When we talk about responsibility, it's about responsibility towards the community we work with and also in the environment we mine our diamond. And when it comes diamond, it is critical to understand that how rare the diamond is. And if you look at diamond, how they are formed, it takes billions of years to form.
In India, customers have, the consumer is felt a little unsure about diamonds because it is complicated. What are these 4 C's? Does it hold value? Is it precious? Will it continue to hold value like gold holds over a period of time? And these are things which have been barriers for people to come into the category of diamonds. With De Beers, our partnership has been about educating the customer about diamonds. In the last 1 year, we have done so many diamond awareness sessions across all our boutiques, across events like these. Today also evening, we have a very good event with many of our top clients from across Bombay city. And we've been doing this across many cities in the country. But we realize that when the customer comes in,
Please welcome the ever graceful Miss Universe 1994 and film star Sushmita Sen and the fiercely talented Fatima Sana Sheikh, famed for her numerous roles in leading Bollywood films. Their charisma and integrity embody everything we stand for today. Thank you both for joining us. You look radiant in those sparkling diamonds.
Thank you so much.
Sushmita, would you like to start with a few words?
Hi, good evening ladies and gentlemen. Namaste. कैसे हैं आप लोग? इसके बाद फोटो करेंगे पक्का. हाँ? It is an absolute pleasure and a privilege to be here. आप सबको पता ही है that I have a romance with natural diamonds. I've always had it. It is something that I've celebrated myself with. जब लोग कहते थे ना commitment पे diamond मिलता है, so I committed to myself. And I got myself that wonderful rock that I celebrate every day of my life. मुझे बड़ा मज़ा आता है because whenever I get to then associate with a wonderful team, a very reliable, trustable team like the family of Tanishq, every single time I feel like I'm also bringing to people a magical something that will change their lives. So it's wonderful to be here and wonderful to be in the company of such wonderful people, especially my Fatima who had been gossiping with me continuously. वो gossip मैं आपको नहीं बता सकती, but here comes Fatima.
Gossip के लिए हम बाद में आपको ही बताएंगे. But I'm very excited to be a part of this. इन्होंने तो इतनी खूबसूरती से बोला है, मैं उतना नहीं बोल पाऊँगी. But ये सच है. I mean. बट एज अ कंज्यूमर मेरा बड़ा सिंपल क्राइटेरिया होता है कि अगर मैं डायमंड खरीदूंगी तो उसकी चमक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बाकी चीज़ें मुझे समझ में नहीं आती कि अगर वो शाइन ब्राइट करता है, उसकी चमक अच्छी है, तो दैट मीन्स इट्स करेक्ट फॉर मी.
बेसिकली हम दोनों साथ जाएंगे शॉपिंग बिकॉज आई जस्ट रियलाइज वो सिर्फ चमक देखेंगी और मैं जो है मैं देखूंगी कि ये नेचुरल डायमंड है कि नहीं है. तो आई थिंक दोनों को साथ जाना चाहिए. क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
पर इन लोग ने आसान कर लिया ना हमारे लिए. नाउ दे मेक इट ईजी फॉर अस बिकॉज वो जो 4C बोलते हैं ना हमें के क्लैरिटी एंड what are the
Color,
other
clarity, clarity.
ऑलरेडी मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, so ये सारी चीज़ें देखनी होती है. But when you have people like them and Tanishq together, you know that you are in good height to be here and to experience this with you guys.
Actually, I'm fascinated to know कि ये Diamond Expertise Center का idea किसका था? Because it's a brilliant idea. Whose idea was this?
Actually, to give you a honest answer,